30 years, family.
Hey, what's good? I'm Ty. You're watching the Da Nang Vietnam video guide, and today I'm going to introduce you to a trustworthy bike salesman in Da Nang. All right.
Bác tên là gì? What's your name? Tuấn. My name Tuấn.
His name is Tuan Nguyen. He's been a mechanic and bike dealer in Da Nang
Have you been working here?
for 20 years with his family.
20 years ago. 20 years. 20 years ago. I got some good questions. Can you fix a Honda? Yeah. Can you fix a Novo? Yeah.
You can fix any bike.
No problem. Không sao. Sao đâu. The address here. 47
He's located at
47 Trân Bung Trong Street. And so I bought 2 motorcycles from Tuan. That's my second motorcycle over there. Yeah.
Alright, so I bought 2 bikes from this guy. The first one I bought was an Attila. The Attila is really popular with the expats, and it's good because it has fast acceleration and it's pretty reliable, but the only problem was that I left it in my house and didn't start it for 2 months, so when I finally went to try and start it, the battery was dead, and that's kind of all my fault, and that's what happens when you're an irresponsible bike owner like myself. This guy offered to come and jumpstart it for me and fix it. So the second bike I bought from him was a Honda. Honda's pretty awesome. Everybody likes Honda here. Honda I bought from him is great. He's been awesome. He's got a diverse selection. If you want anything, they've got anything from Winds, Nuovos, Honda Dreams, Airblades. He's got honest prices. It's cheaper than some of the expats are trying to sell you. You can see he's got good reviews from locals. He also gave me free helmets and mirrors. He has plenty of stock to customize your bike. He's the one who helped me get the custom rack on the back of my bike, and I was pretty specific about the size and the angle that I wanted it on. He made sure I got all sorted.
How many bikes have you fixed? 3? I had a problem, so I came right back here, and he fixed it like he always does. Good guy.
Thank you. We recommend.
Yeah, for that. Sit down. Yeah. Come on. I want to help.
You understand?
Come on. Yeah. Come on. I want to help people that help me. You help me a lot. I want to help you. Bạn có thể quay ở con light. Bạn có thể quay light. Bạn quay lại. You can go back to what you were doing. Thank you so much. Yeah, of course.
He has great communication. Here's his Vietnamese website. Here's my binding contract and my 5-month warranty. Yeah, he's honest. He's a good dude. He's gonna get your bike fixed. I trust him. I think you should trust him too. All right, thanks. So if you're passing through Da Nang, or if you're coming here to live and you need a bike,
You've been fixing bikes for 20 years.
Yeah.
and this is how you can get there.